Have you ever stopped to think about the power of your visions and dreams? Do you know that they are the blueprints of your ultimate achievements? Napoleon Hill once said, "Cherish your visions and your dreams as they are the children of your soul, the blueprints of your ultimate achievements." But have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their dreams with ease while others struggle to make progress? The answer lies in the way they visualize their goals. They have learned to ignite their inner vision, and that's what sets them apart. Visualization is not just a tool for manifesting your desires, it's a way of life. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your deepest desires. When you visualize correctly, you tap into the power of your subconscious mind, and that's when the shift happens immediately. So how can you ignite your inner vision? Start by taking a few moments each day to close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your grandest goals and boldest dreams. Don't just think about them. See yourself succeeding in vivid detail. Imagine the feelings of excitement, joy, and fulfillment that come with achieving your dreams. But why is visualization so powerful? Scientific research has shown that the brain uniquely processes visual information. When you visualize, you engage your brain's visual cortex, which is responsible for processing images. This means that your brain can create a mental picture of your goals and desires, making them feel more real and accessible. Moreover, visualization can help you overcome limiting beliefs and negative self-talk. When you constantly visualize yourself achieving your goals, you start to believe that it's possible, and your mind begins to shift away from negative thoughts and towards positive, empowering ones. Like how right now I'm visualizing you subscribing. Thanks. Now, let's dive deeper into the concept of visualization. There are different types of visualization, and it's important to understand each one's role in achieving your goals. The first type is called outcome visualization. This involves visualizing the result you desire, such as landing your dream job, finding your soulmate, or running a marathon. Outcome visualization helps you clarify your goals and focus your efforts toward achieving them. The second type is called process visualization. This involves visualizing the steps you need to take to achieve your goals, such as studying for a certification exam, networking with industry professionals, or training for a marathon. Process visualization helps you break down your goals into manageable, actionable steps. The third type is called skill visualization. This involves visualizing yourself performing a specific skill or task, such as public speaking, playing a musical instrument, or cooking a gourmet meal. Skill visualization helps you build confidence and develop muscle memory, making it easier to perform the skill in real life. Finally, there's mindset visualization, which involves visualizing yourself with the mindset and beliefs that will help you achieve your goals. This could include visualizing yourself as confident, resilient, or focused. Mindset visualization helps you cultivate a growth mindset and overcome limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Now that you know the different types of visualization, it's time to put them into practice. Remember, visualization is a skill that takes time and effort to develop. Start small with short visualization sessions each day and gradually increase the duration and intensity over time. To help you get started, here are some tips for effective visualization. Number 1, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax and focus. Number 2, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to calm your mind and body. Number 3, use all of your senses to bring your visualization to life. See it, hear it, feel it, taste it, and smell it. Number 4, make your visualization as vivid and detailed as possible. Imagine yourself in the scenario and picture it as if you were watching a movie. Number 5, use positive and empowering language to reinforce your visualization. Instead of saying, "I won't fail," say, "I will succeed." Number 6, practice visualization regularly, ideally at the same time each day. Consistency is key to developing this skill. Number 7, be patient and persistent. Visualization takes time to work, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. And number 8, use visualization to complement other actions you're taking to achieve your goals. It's not a substitute for hard work and dedication. Have you ever felt a strong desire to achieve something but struggled to take action towards it? Maybe you've been procrastinating, feeling overwhelmed, or lacking motivation. If so, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Desire is a powerful force that can drive you towards your goals. When you harness the fuel of desire, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So, how can you harness this fuel? Start by identifying what you truly desire. What is it that you want to achieve? What drives you, motivates you, and excites you? Take the time to reflect on your deepest desires and write them down. Next, ask yourself why you desire these things. What will achieving them do for you? How will it make you feel? What impact will it have on your life and the lives of those around you? Now here's the important part. Connect emotionally to your desires. When you visualize your goals, imagine how achieving them will make you feel. Tap into those emotions and use them as fuel to drive your actions. When we set a clear intention and view things from a space of love, we begin to see infinite possibilities. Arash Vossoughi. This quote by Arash Vossoughi highlights the significance of connecting emotionally to your desires. When you view your goals from a space of love, you begin to see the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. You start to feel a sense of purpose and direction, and you'll be more likely to take action towards your goals. For example, let's say you desire to start your own business. You've always dreamed of being your own boss and pursuing your passion. When you visualize this goal, imagine the feeling of excitement and freedom that comes with being your boss. Imagine the sense of pride and accomplishment that comes with pursuing your passion. But here's the catch. Desire alone isn't enough. You need to take action towards your goals. When you connect emotionally to your desires, you'll feel a sense of urgency and motivation to take action. You'll be more likely to put in the hard work, make sacrifices, and push through challenges. So, how can you take action towards your goals? Start by breaking down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. Create a plan of action and take consistent steps towards your goals each day. Leave a comment down below to show us how you'll take action on your ideas. Now, let's dive deeper into why connecting emotionally is so important. When you connect emotionally to your desires, you tap into your inner motivation and drive. You start to feel a sense of purpose and direction, and you'll be more likely to take action towards your goals. Think of it like this. Desire is the fuel that drives you towards your goals. It's the spark that ignites your motivation and drive. But without emotion, that spark can quickly fade away. By connecting emotionally to your desires, you add fuel to the fire, and it becomes a burning passion that drives you forward. In addition, connecting emotionally to your desires helps you overcome obstacles and challenges. When you're emotionally invested in your goals, you'll be more likely to push through difficult times and keep going. You'll be more resilient and determined, and you'll bounce back from setbacks more quickly. So, how can you connect emotionally to your desires? Start by visualizing your goals in vivid detail. Imagine how achieving them will make you feel and tap into those emotions. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your visualization and repeat them to yourself regularly. Surround yourself with positive influences and supportive people who share your passions and values. Just take the first step. You don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. Martin Luther King Jr. When it comes to achieving our goals, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the magnitude of what we want to accomplish. We often look at the big picture and feel we have no idea where to start. But the truth is, the key to achieving our goals lies in taking small, manageable steps towards them. Breaking down big dreams into smaller, sure steps forward is an art that requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to take action. It's about taking that first step, even when we don't know what the entire staircase looks like. It's about trusting that the universe will reveal the next step, and the next, and the next, as long as we keep moving forward. So, how can you master the art of step magic? Start by breaking down your big dreams into smaller, manageable goals. Create a plan of action and take consistent steps towards your goals each day. Don't worry too much about the big picture. Focus on taking that next step. Remember the example we made earlier about starting a new business. While you visualize and feel the emotion behind it, please don't feel overwhelmed by the magnitude of what you want to accomplish. Break it down into smaller steps. What's the first step you need to take? Maybe it's researching your niche or creating a daily work routine. Whatever it is, take that first step and then take the next and the next. As you take these small steps, you'll start to see the path forward more clearly. You'll begin to understand what needs to be done and how to do it. You'll start to feel a sense of momentum building and your confidence will grow. And as you continue to take action toward your goals, remember that it's okay to not know the entire staircase. It's okay to take things one step at a time. Because, as Martin Luther King Jr. said, you don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. So take that first step and then take the next and the next. Keep moving forward and trust that the universe will reveal the path forward. Master the art of step magic and you'll be on your way to achieving your biggest dreams. We insist on building our future by committing to new habit patterns. Bob Proctor, we've talked about visualizing your goals, harnessing the fuel of desire, and taking small steps toward achieving your dreams. But there is another crucial element that will support you on your journey. Assembling your destiny architecture through intentional habits. Habits are the invisible architecture that shapes our days, directs our focus, and ultimately determines our future. They dictate how we spend our time and energy. That's why consciously designing empowering habits aligned with your goals is the master key to assembling your destiny architecture. What habits could accelerate your growth if consistently practiced? What routines would your ideal self implement to systematically move themselves closer to actualizing their boldest visions day after day? For instance, if your goal is building a successful business, your destiny architecture might include habits like waking up early to devote time to high-priority tasks, setting aside an hour for strategic planning every Monday, networking with 5 new potential partners every week, spending 30 minutes daily in mindfulness meditation. Make it a game. If you could pick any 5 habits for your ideal self to perform daily like clockwork, what would they be? The power lies not in difficulty but in consistency. Start with small, realistic habits and focus on sticking to them no matter what before expanding. By committing to even basic routines that keep you pointed at your North Star, you begin building the destiny infrastructure brick by brick. And here is the key realization: the universe loves efficiency. Once you clearly define the type of habits and environmental inputs that would most rapidly advance you towards manifesting your dreams, you become a beacon, pulling more and more opportunities, resources, and synchronicities to help assemble your destiny architecture. By daring to define and commit to the habits and routines your boldest ambitions require, you shift from waiting for an opportunity to magnetizing it through the clarity of your convictions. You become an active co-creator rather than a passive wanderer, seizing your divine power to design an existence that empowers. This entire process requires courage, discomfort, and perseverance. But the joy, fulfillment, and sense of accomplishment that comes from actively building your dreams piece by piece makes every ounce of effort worthwhile. The only question that remains is, what destiny will you assemble through the habits you choose today? Remind yourself of your vision when challenges arrive. Let go of how it will happen and continue to take inspired action. Arash, Vossoughi. We've explored deeply the principles and practices for turning your biggest dreams into reality. Clearly defining your desires, fueling them with emotional fire, breaking them into doable steps, and assembling supportive habits and architecture. All that remains is the final leap of faith, unleashing the genie within by releasing rigid attachment to how your visions will materialize. Up to this point, the focus has been actively doing, goal setting, process planning, and habit building. But once your dreams are clearly defined within and your growth infrastructure assembled without, the last mile requires embracing being, allowing, receiving, and trusting. This means two simultaneous practices. Number one, continuing to take intuitive action whenever inspiration strikes. When motivated, keep moving. Number two, surrendering attachment to exactly how when desires manifest. Let go of trying to control every detail of the how. Hold your vision firmly yet lightly. Pursue boldly yet peacefully. By combining active effort with calm faith, you unleash your deepest creative magic. Imagine your subconscious mind is like a genie awaiting your commands. You must first clearly instruct it towards what you desire, then give it total freedom and trust to orchestrate the perfect manifestation process. The eminent psychologist Carl Jung coined the term synchronicity, describing meaningful coincidences guiding us towards self-actualization. Once you ignite your inner vision and propel forward with inspired action, synchronicity starts weaving strands of the just right people, resources, and opportunities into your realm. But you must have eyes to see them. You must be willing to release doubt and embrace faith in the incredible way your dreams will unfold. Be open, alert, and ready to act in alignment as your manifested reality assembles itself magically through unexpected twists of fate. By unleashing this powerful creative genie from within through clarity of vision, consistency of habits, and openness to receive, you allow the quantum field's infinite organizing power to do what it does best: orchestrate majestic order from potential chaos. So today, remind yourself again what future reality you desire most to experience. Then take whatever small step is in front of you with expectant hope. Release how and when the dream unfolds, liquefying all rigidity or attachment. You've set the forces in motion. Now sit back and enjoy the show as the next act of your destiny plays out, delivered with cosmic precision.